shoulders, and my heart is weighed down with care. I come to you, my rock, my shelter, and I find your peace in prayer.
In the quiet of this holy moment, where the noise of life fades away, I hear your voice so soft and gentle as I whisper your name.
Don't know what to say when my voice begins to fade.
Whisper your name, Jesus,
in the stillness I call. Whisper your name, Savior, you're the God over all. In the broken, in the hurting, in the moments of despair, I find my hope, I find my healing when I whisper your name in prayer. When the night is long and I feel lonely, and my fears begin to rise, I lift my hands, I lift my heart, Lord, and I see the dawn in your eyes. You're the God who hears my weeping, the one who knows my pain, and in the darkness you are with me as I whisper your name. When I don't know what to say, when my voice begins to fade, whisper your name, Jesus, in the stillness I call. Whisper your name, Savior, you're the God over all. In the broken, in the hurting, in the moments of despair, I find my hope, I find my healing when I whisper your name in prayer. You are the God who answers, the one who hears my cry. You are the God of miracles, the one who's always nigh. So I keep on praying, I keep on believing, for I know you're working, even when I can't see. Whisper your name, Jesus, in the stillness I call. Whisper your name, Savior, you're the God over all. In the broken, in the hurting, in the moments of despair, I find my hope, I find my healing when I whisper your name. Whisper your name, in the stillness I call. Whisper your name, you're my all in all.